Welcome to Rocky Mountain Renewal. My name is Victoria. I'm originally from England. I married an American, and after living all over the world, we settled in Manitou Springs, Colorado. We bought a 100-year-old former boarding house and outbuildings which needed complete renovation. It's been a labor of love and lots of hard work, but we still find time to have fun and explore the amazing place we live in. Come join us on our journey as we renew our home and our spirits in the beautiful Rocky Mountains.
Which way around do you want to go this time?
Up here. That one?
You want to go that way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you say good morning to everyone?
Good morning.
Can you say good morning, Birch? Do you want to tell us a little bit about Garden of the Gods, Pumpkin?
No, I don't know that much.
You do. You can take your mask down and just have a little chat.
No, well, there's people right behind
It's
us,
okay,
but,
then. I'm not nervous. Because we can't hear you on the microphone if you've got the thing on.
I know, but I gotta keep it on for now.
So you don't want to tell us?
Well, I mean, I know some stuff.
Okay. Well, maybe when we get further down you can tell us.
Yeah,
Some.
we want to get close to the rocks and a little bit farther away from people.
Beautiful. It's kind of hard to see with the sun there. Helena, do you like coming here?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your favorite bit?
I don't have a favorite bit, but I just like looking around.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's that way.
Okay, should we go up here?
Yeah.
The mask off.
The white rocks are a tiny bit older. Well, not a tiny bit. This is mainly caused because the rocks are made out of the softer limestone. So we do get a lot of hail around here. Of course, this is more in like March because it's cold, but we get more precipitation. So when the hail hits it, it knocks off the red, and so through erosion they slowly get wider and wider and more oxidized.
Can I tell them when's your birthday?
After Christmas?
On the 27th
7th
of January.
So, about a month after. these?
They're to help keep the dirt in place.
Yeah.
They're just,
It looks like a dinosaur bone.
no, it's wood sweet. How many days till Christmas, bud?
3?
Mm-hmm. Are you excited?
Yeah. Well, here's one thing I know about the rocks is the white ones are the whiter ones, I guess I should say, are actually the oldest.
Mm-hmm.
And as you go in one direction, more of them appear white.
Let's go here.
There's other kids that were MIA and the bathroom were
Fuzzy.
You want to tell us a bit more about?
To be honest, I don't know too much about the history, mainly because we went over it in third grade and I forgot it all.
So where did they take you in 3rd grade?
They actually took us here, and we there was just a short little movie. It was like a little field trip. Could I go in there?
No.
Stick.
What do you need that for? I think a dog's chewed that, so it's probably not the best stick to pick up anyway. Okay, should we carry on back down?
I want to walk more.
It doesn't do that. Yeah, okay. Are you quite comfortable there?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. You right? Good morning, Mary. Oh God, Mary. Coffee on the tablecloth. Oh. Ah.